here are a few examples. Like we need to teach children also how to mistake proof. So Fisher Price has come up with this voting device. Like you have various contenders like independent, Democrat, Republican. You cannot vote with this if you can't think enough to choose, which means the shape and color both should match. Then only person can vote. This is a funny example. When it comes to cameras, some cameras will not function when there is not enough light to take a picture. And some laundry dryers have a device that shuts them down when overheating is detected. Another example I can think of is the thermostat that is put up in all our appliances. That is also another great mistake proofing device. Because what happens with thermostat is the metal surface, okay, that gets detached the moment overheating of the coil is detected. And once the coil goes back to the normal heat, again it comes in contact. That way, temperature is maintained consistently in our iron box depending on how much we adjust, and also same is case with refrigerators and all other devices. Now we'll see few more examples. These US electrical outlets have been mistake proof to assure proper polarity. It is impossible to put a plug in the outlet incorrectly. Next one is the drilling machine. This drilling machine will not work until you put the bit perpendicular to the surface. If it is slanted or if it is tilted, it will not work. Because it guides the line up the drill to assure the drilled hole is 90%. And a magnetic contact assures that the shaft is correctly inserted and seated before drilling. Next, 4 different hazardous material warning labels that are applied before shipping the product. If you observe the cartons in which items are shipped, they have certain indications. If it is carrying glass items or some sensitive items, they put fragile, right? Likewise, and they also indicate in which direction this box should be placed and how many boxes can be stacked, right? These are all some mistake proofing techniques. And boxes without the labels would be returned, which would result in delayed shipments. And by looking at the box, if you're not finding the label, you can easily find out, hey, this cannot be shipped because it doesn't have the proper label. Next, the labels on separate rolls. When all 4 labels were put onto one roll, it was easy for the worker to know when a label has been missed.